This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I will show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Network and Internet category. From here go for the SIM card, and here you have both SIM1 and SIM2 numbers respectively. There is also another route to check, which is less convenient and way longer, but I'm going to show you it. It to you regardless. So get back to the main settings page, enter System, About Phone, Status, and then go for the SIM status. And at the SIM status page, you can also find or see your phone number 1 and phone number 2 respectively. Alrighty, so that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.